All right, this is topic 8, lesson 1, example 1 of the try it problem. What is the actual width, W, of the island if the width in the drawing is 2.5 inches? And we're looking at a scale drawing. So in this drawing, 1 inch equals 1.5 feet in real life. For example, right here it says a scale drawing is an enlarged or reduced drawing of an object that is proportional to the actual object. Proportional, that means that we're working with equivalent ratios. So I'm going to start with my ratio of the scale drawing. I know that for every 1 inch, we have 1.5 feet. And I know that for this scale drawing that we're looking at in the problem, the width is going to be 2.5 inches. And we're looking at how many feet that's going to be in real life. So, like we've worked with proportions before and equivalent ratios before, we're looking at what I'm doing to the top, or numerators, to go from left to right. So what do I do to 1 inch in order to get 2.5 inches? I know that I multiply by 2.5, and then I do the same to the bottom. Multiply, multiply by 2.5. Now when I multiply 1.5 times 2.5, I end up with 3.75 feet equals x. So the width, the actual width of the island is 3.75 feet.